Hello and welcome back. So today I really wanted to do some urban sketching, but the weather wasn't good. And also I just had enough time until my toddler slept to draw something. So I quickly went to MapCrunch.com and I made sure to select urban in the option. And then I just scrolled through some cities or whatever. You see, you can just press go and then it takes you to newer and newer places, and it has a lot of options. You can go forward, backward, turn around and look at some shops or places and decide which one you want. And I ended up picking up this building here somewhere in the UK, I guess, and I just started sketching. So I'm using my Japanese no I'm sorry Japan no, I'm using the Sailor Fure nib pen, which I don't know why I said Japan. Okay, anyway, so this one has a bent tip, and it's really nice to make these thick and thin lines. I'm not actually doing much, just drawing, and it automatically creates those thick and thin lines, which makes your drawing look super nice. And yeah, it's very different than using a micron pen, for example. And this pen actually comes in two colors. I think the other one is blue in color, where the nib is not as bent as this one. But I like this one better. So I filled it with some waterproof ink, and I plan to paint this once I'm done sketching. But yeah, let's get there soon. So I'm just adding the major details. As you can see, I'm skipping the finer details and adding my own. It's not going to look exactly like in the photograph, because I'm assuming that I'm on location. That means I've got I don't have a lot of time. And I'm just going to add some greens here because the building will look nicer, and there are trees in the building as well. And my choice of colors are going to be, again, not exact, I guess. I don't know how. I'll think about it when I get there. So I'm just adding more details, the windows and stuff. These are also not going to be super exact because I have no plans of making them exact. I'm not one of those sketchers who sketches things exactly, like as you can see, mainly because I'm not good at it. I just try to get in the most prominent shapes and then add in my own details to it, and give it a little bit of make it look a little nicer in my own way. And here's me drawing some trees. As you can see, it's just scribbly lines. I learned to do this really long time ago, and I've been sticking to drawing trees like this forever now. So if you got better ways to draw trees, do let me know. I would love to see how you guys do that. I'm just gonna add the location right here, and then after that, I think I'm gonna stop sketching right here. So this is the final sketch. I can't color it now because my toddler woke up. Bye bye.